Hello everyone, this is Vaishu and you're watching Beauty Glam. So today I'm going to say home remedies for black circles under eyes. Very easy, very natural that you can follow with no side effects. Before going to the video, make sure to hit subscribe button and bell icon along to never miss any updates from my channel. So let's get started. Our eyes are the windows to our soul, but sadly, a beard of dark circles make our soul look tired. So here, I present a natural remedies on how to remove a dark circles. Before that, we need to know what are a dark circles. The skin underneath our eyes is sensitive as well as very thin. So they show the blood vessels and the blood in them very clearly comparing to other places. This is why the skin beneath our eyes look dark or blush. Now, if you are wondering why it appears blush, well, the reason is that our skin tissues can only allow the wavelengths of blue or violet lights to pass through it. As a result, blue color light is reflected back and the veins look blush in color. This is what is known as dark circles commonly. What are the causes of black circles? It may be allergies, aging, skin pigmentation, high sodium diet, stress. So, honestly speaking, there is no magical treatment available for dark circles that makes them vanish under 2 or 3 days. We can use concealers and color correctors and other makeup items to conceal them. The darker circles, the more difficult to hide. There are few under eye creams available in the market that claim to treat a dark circles, but one look at their price and many of us step back. Home remedies to remove a dark circles are inexpensive and produce a results for better than commercial products. Best remedy for dark circles is honey. The anti-inflammatory properties of honey helps to smooth the skin and helps the eye area to relax. Honey has a natural bleaching properties that can help to lighten the pigmentation. It can be safely used on the sensitive skin, under and around the eyes, and it is the best natural moisturizer for our skin. The antioxidants and the essential nutrients present in honey helps to protect the skin and get rid of under eye dark circles. Honey can improve blood circulation which in turn helps to lighten the under eye dark circles. Honey can boost the collagen production that helps to get rid of the dark circles under the eyes caused by aging. How to remove dark circles using honey. So today I am going to show a 7 remedies, so you can take a screenshot from your mobile or laptop and you can use whichever remedy is suitable for your skin. So the first remedy is cucumber juice and honey, second lemon juice and honey, third honey and banana, fourth milk and honey, fifth honey with orange juice, sixth honey and turmeric, seventh honey and vitamin E. The first remedy is cucumber juice and honey. The cucumber is known for its refreshing and smoothing properties with high water content. Cucumber can effectively heal dark circles, and when mixed with honey, it creates an unbeatable combination to fight off the dark circles. You need to take 1 tablespoon of cucumber juice and 2 tablespoons of organic honey to it. Mix it well and apply on the dark circles under and around the eyes. Let it sit for few minutes and then wash it off with plain water. Follow this remedy at least 3 times in a week. The next remedy is lemon juice and honey. This is a great way to kick off your morning routines. This drink helps to get rid of all the toxins from your body. When you are healthy inside, it reflects on the outside. In this case, which is your skin. You need to take a glass of lukewarm water and add 1 tablespoon of honey and few drops of fresh lemon juice. Stir it and drink this every morning on empty stomach. Next remedy is honey and banana mask. Banana is an excellent moisturizer. It moisturizes the under eye area and get rid of the puffiness as well as the dark circles. The rich potassium content also helps. The vitamins and the minerals present in banana improves blood circulation, which also plays a key role in reducing the dark circles. Smash a chunk of banana and add 1 tablespoon of honey to it. Mix it together and spread this mark evenly on the dark circles. Leave it for 20 minutes and wash with a plain water. Follow this procedure on regular basis. The next remedy is milk and honey. Milk is a great ingredient not only for our health, but it also works amazingly for our skin and hair. Milk is a great moisturizer. The vitamin A and B6 in milk helps to build a new skin cells and repair the damage. Vitamin D restores the skin elasticity, whereas protein in milk repairs the damaged tissues and keep them healthy. Also, vitamin B12 can lighten a dark skin while potassium moisturizes and nutritions the skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of warm milk and raw honey and apply this mixture on the dark circles. Close your eyes and wait for 15 to 20 minutes and wash with plain water. Follow this remedy every day for the best results. The next remedy is honey with orange juice. Orange is a rich source of vitamin C which plays a vital part in removing a dark circles. It also contains a good amount of vitamin A that helps to increase the blood flow to the skin surface and make the skin look more even toned. Vitamin E present in the orange protects our skin from a UV damage while the citric acid acts as a natural bleach and lighten the pigmentation. Glycerin acts as a great natural moisturizer that moisturizes the thin and sensitive under the eye area and also prevents a moisturizer loss. So you need to take a bowl and mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey, orange juice and glycerin. Apply this mixture on dark circles and leave it for 10 minutes and wash it with a plain water and repeat this remedy at least thrice in a week for effective results. Next remedy is honey and turmeric. Honey and turmeric both are powerful antioxidants and so is lemon. So this antioxidant mask and no doubt will work wonders. Turmeric can reduce the melanin production in the skin and thus helps to lighten the pigmentation. Also, the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric helps to lighten under eye dark circles. Lemon juice on the other hand is a natural bleaching agent which works well to get rid of dark circles, while the presence of vitamin C helps in skin brightening. In a bowl, take 1 tablespoon of organic honey, pinch of turmeric powder and few drops of fresh lemon juice. Give a good mix and apply this mixture on the dark circles with a fingertip and gently massage the area for 2 minutes. After that, let it dry naturally, then use a plain water and wash it off. Follow this remedy at least 3 times in a week. If you have a sensitive skin, replace the lemon juice with orange juice. Last remedy is honey and vitamin E. Vitamin E in this mask provides extreme nutrition to the skin around the eyes. Vitamin E also helps to even out disordered color. Its antioxidant properties neutralizes the effects of free radicals and prevents them from damaging a healthy cells. Rose water imparts a refreshing and cooling effect to the skin. You need to take 1 tablespoon of honey and rose water and add 2 to 3 drops of vitamin E oil. Apply this mixture gently around your eyes and then massage for 2 minutes with your fingertips. Let it sit for few minutes and wash it with a plain water. You need to repeat this remedy every day for best results. Alternatively, you can buy vitamin E capsule and then prick them to squeeze out the oil from the inside. So yes, this is all about today. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to hit subscribe button and bell icon along to never miss any update from my channel. Thank you.